All right, guys, here we are. The Dennis Kirk annual motorcycle. We're here in St. Paul. The Wild's in town, so they got you drop me off. It's like $30 to park here. So it's 29th day of March 2025. Take a walk around. The swap meet. I've been here before. So there's all kinds of fun stuff. All kinds of bikes. You can buy your chaps if you're you rode hard, put away wet here. You get all kinds of t-shirts here and stuff, all kinds of fun stuff. You name it, they've got it. They sell all kinds of crap. I was here last year. Pretty well nice. You know, a lot of people walking around with chaps on today. They got all kinds of rings and stuff. Necklaces. Nice. Yeah. Some nasty ass bikes here. Screaming yellow. It's not, trust me, it's not cheap. It's a motorcycle museum in Sturgis. I've been on a few bikes, but not a bike guy, but I do respect that they do work on these things. Oh, yeah. Bad boy, you got. We'll kind of go over here and look at some of these bikes. We got a whole bunch of them. Different kinds. They got a swap meet. I'll get over that later in the next couple videos, but I don't know, man. Afraid to take these bad boys out. It's a nice bike. You kind of see there's all kinds of different ones here. It's kind of a cool bike. I think this one was here last year. Nice Harley. Side saddles. Look at that, God, look at that thing. Holy balls, the size of basketballs. This one's kind of like a road hard, put away wet. Kind of a nice one. Pretty stripped down version. Oh yeah. Kind of a nice one. That's cool. I like that seat. It's a nice seat to sit on, better than the other seats I've seen.
Oh yeah.
I know. I'd like to have one. I just don't trust people out on the street with them. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of a cool one. That's an old one. Look at this big bad boy. Ooh, yeah. Hardy, man. Excuse me. Oh, man. That sucker probably worth some money. Old Harley. Kind of a cool one. Seen this one before. Right little bike. Chain on there. Yeah, the Wild are in town this afternoon. So there's a lot of people downtown. This one's kind of cool over here. Oh my goodness, look at that bad boy. The Urban Bagger. Nice. Oh my goodness. And again, this, look at this bad boy.
So we're going through these kind of piles, but you kept slowing down and looking.
Goodness. Nice.
Visits for the donations.
Nice. Yeah, if you like your bikes, these guys are pretty well known. And you got all kinds of clothes. It's kind of nice. I like red. Yeah, it's a beautiful day to be indoors. Go over. It's nice. This is the old flying around on this bike. They just call these cheating, but I could ride one of these. These are kind of cool. The Hondas, you know, double wheel for Nancy boys like me. Cruise around. Indian, it's kind of nice. Established in 1901. I like that color, not being that green, but I like it. Ton of people here today. Nice. Nice one. It's a nice bike.
I like the color too.
Yeah, I do. I like it too. I like it. Yeah. Nice. Nice. What's something like this go for?
The kits are about 20,000 plus the bike, so you're 45.
45. Well worth it. I'm a Nancy boy. I'd ride something like this. I'm a Nancy boy on bikes. I need the training wheels.
Yeah.
Gets me around. That's all that matters. Nice. Not bad. 45 grand. So they got a stage here. So get down over here. A lot of people down over here. You got shirts and stuff. Let's go over here. Got clothing over here. The last time they had a little dog over here. So, yeah. Nice. Stupid fast. Oh my goodness. Nice. Hello. You got all kinds of honoring the heroes over here. Obviously, you've got all kinds of fun stuff that people make. Look at that.
I did get in trouble for wearing that before.
Last time I was here, they had all kinds of stuff. Leather jackets. Look at that bad boy. Look at that sucker. Heck yeah. It's no poor man's convertible there, man. These leather jackets for sale. They have deals on them.
I didn't see him, but you can go
already have. Woolly Bird, any coat, 140 bucks. It's not bad. Kind of a cool little jacket. I like that. I like it. They always. They have vests and anything else. Oh my goodness, too many to choose from. Oh my goodness. These are the big boys. I said they got all kinds of them. You kind of get over here and you got all kinds of stuff with clothing. Oh yeah, you got your push-up bras and stuff if you want. Leather, all different colors of stuff here. Club Tiki, down in Nebraska. The boutique. All kinds of them.
Yeah, and then with this
Mediums.
there's an FX arm that's like
These are
straight.
heavy.
Like right next
These are
to
some
it.
heavy jackets.
Yeah.
That one has the extra little bit
But anyways,
attached to that.
we're kind of we'll go on the next one. So what is this? Ladies clothing, buy two, save 10 bucks. So, all right, you guys. Move on to something more substantial, shall we?